Good day, can you tell me about yourself?
Good day, my name is Rosalie Socorro de Dios. I am 38 years old from Dulo, San Jose, Camarines Sur, and I am married.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have two sons, 9 and 6 years old.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 4 siblings and I am the eldest.
Tell me about your educational background.
I am a high school graduate. I did not finish my college because of financial problem.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I have in Kuwait 1 year and 3 months. My duties are cleaning, washing, ironing, and car washing. I did not finish my contract because my employer cannot afford to pay my salary.
Do you have local experience here in the Philippines?
Yes, I have 2 employers here in Makati. My duties are cleaning, washing, ironing, and taking care of children.
How would you describe yourself?
I am a hardworking and I am a honest.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no.
Why do you want to work abroad?
For my family financial needs.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tattoos.
I talk to them in a calm voice. I read them books and stories and playing with them.
What is your message to your future employer?
Their employer, I will promise that I will do my best to work and assure you that I am hardworking and honest. It can do a multitasking, and if you have a children, I will take care of them to be my own children.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.